Alright, so I'm back again. Like I said before, I seriously think it's a mixture of global warming and global freezing. I mean, yesterday was like 60 degrees. Kids was in t-shirt outside playing. Children. And today, I mean, very interesting. Anyway, my low boy, this piston right here, is kind of sticking. So you have one here and you have one over here. What happened? This one, for some reason, keeps staying out. So it kind of made the job a little bit harder for me. But I'm working with it, and I'll get through. It's a very small plow truck, you know, it's not a huge one. I need like a big, humongous plow truck to get me through this. But anyway, I'm gonna do it anyway. So again, y'all stay home, yeah? Because it's slippery out here. All right, peace out.